Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is October the 10th. We are out here in Roswell, Georgia. This is a client, Mrs. Chris. I did come out here and do an in-home consultation. She got on the schedule for today. We're going to be doing about 1,400 square feet, a little bit over 1,400 because she just added the catwalk hallway, screen, recoat, a little minor color correction, and UV curing. She has 2 big dogs, and she said, Courtney, the reason why I went with you is because you offer the UV, and I don't have time to keep the dogs off the floors for a whole week. Because without the UV, especially with big dogs, I do tell people to keep the dogs off the floors for at least 4 or 5 days. If you go with our 2-component finish, and originally she did want oil base, but she said, Courtney, I just don't have the time to wait for the oil base to cure, because oil base can take 30 days to cure. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going on this beautiful day. So we are out here in Roswell. So right now we're just setting up our equipment. Beautiful neighborhood. Shout out to Christian again. Him and his team came out and moved the furniture this morning for Mrs. Chris, and they're going to come back this afternoon and put the furniture back, and that's why people love the UV cure. So we're going to be doing this room, which you guys can see. This room is perfect because this is a dining room and they had a rug here, but you can see the wear here, but all the wood flows in. And that's the thing, guys, when all the wood flows in together, it's just best to just do everything together so it's all consistent. So we're going to be doing this room, this whole room right here, this room right here, which is again good condition. Here, the foyer coming in, living room, floors have no major issues. Do have some soft grain because she said she does have 2 big dogs. So you see those little pieces right there, guys, coming out? That's the soft grain. And it's easy to come out, especially when you have big dogs. So what we're just gonna do is add some color to these areas right here. You see, like right here. So it's not much, it's just really right up in here. This board right here. All right, and then after this, I got 2 in-home consultations, one in Smyrna, one in Midtown. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and get this screen down. Then we're gonna get the floors cleaned, color correction, vacuum, get the finish down, and then go do the consultations, and then come back and UV cure. And then also that catwalk hallway she just added as well. All right, guys, let me get started. Stay tuned.
Georgia. Yeah, we back again. Truman, Hardwood, that one day shine. Watch the glow, watch the magic. Let's ride out. Truman, Hardwood, and Roswell, Georgia. UV cure, yeah, we bless your flow.
All right, guys, we just got a little clean and tacking going using the clean and prep. All right, and just to show you guys those areas where the soft grain is missing, just gonna add in some color. And I've already tested an area right here, so you can see right here, so you can see all that soft grain missing. So it's like I said, it's really just right here, and it's a little bit upstairs. So the floors are coming out great with the screening. Again, screening, guys, it does not replace sanding. I do have to sometimes let people know that this is not sanding, this is screen and recoat, and we're really just abrading the top coat of the floor to bring life to the floor. Just like this floor was perfect for a screen and recoat. You can see her stain is still looking good from when she had it done years ago. Again, the only issue she has here is the missing grain, but we're gonna take care of that. See, like right here, they want to fill all this in once it's dry before we get the coating down. But the screen is really just to add protection to the floor when it's wearing. Now we do have things that we do to go a little bit above and beyond, and one of my clients actually gave me a compliment on that yesterday. So you know, we have the color corrections and a little hard wax kits, you know, things that we do, you know, just out of the ordinary. But again, the screen and recoating does not replace sanding. Deep gouges, deep scratches, pet stains, water stains, the little backings from the rug sometimes can leave the imprints in the floors. Those cupping, she does have a little cupping over here, but she said, Courtney, I'm not worried about that. Crowning, missing, for example, missing filler. She does not replace that. These are all full sanding or replacement issues. Okay. All right, guys.
UV-Cured furniture, same day. That's how we do it. The Truman way. Hardwood, Georgia, shine so bright.
Bang, bang, boots hit the wood grain. Truman in the saddle, riding through the stain. Sun high, saw the fly, this ain't no game. We the best in the web, put respect on the name. Bang, bang, shoot 'em up, wood flow shine, that's tough. Bang, bang, ain't no dust, we clean it up, rub. Bang, bang, Truman hardwood tough. When we pull that trigger, it's gloss or buzz. Riding slow, boots on the oak, UV light flash, let that finish smoke. RadCoat ready, ain't no joke. One day job, now they love that glow. Draw quick, like a gun in a duel. Ain't no rookie, Truman the tool. Best in the South, we been no rule. Client shouting dang, that flow little new. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Shoot 'em up, wood flow shine, that's tough. Bang, bang. From the west to the east, Truman showing up. Bang, bang. Yeehaw. Ain't no one close when we light it up. Bang, bang. Another flow say Truman rolled out, left that shining gray ditch.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Yeah.
So
This is the area.
the worn area.
This is where we'll take the dogs.
Take the dogs, okay.
Yeah.
And then come look at this area over here. Where
I got my tennis shoes on though.
Oh, you can take them off if you want to. Oh, they'll be fine with your shoes. You're fine. You gotta take them off.
It's leaving marks.
No, we'll get that up. There's just from outside. Look at this right here.
Oh yeah.
I was missing all that soft grain. I added color back to it.
Oh good. Yeah.
Yes. All right, awesome. Thank you. All right, guys, that's going to do it. We are done. My client is very, very happy with the outcome. So Christian, I think they're going to come in the morning to put the furniture back. So Miss Chris is just letting me know how much better it looks. Also, guys, remember the area right here, all that missing soft grain, we added the color back to it. Came out really good. She gave us a nice tip too. So, yep. All right, guys, so this was a nice size job. So we did the whole main floor and the catwalk hallway. And she also said they put water-based finish upstairs, and whatever finish they use is the one we put down, the RadCoat, matched it really, really well. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.